and we cut across to breaking news coming in. LG has ordered an NIA probe against Arvind Kejriwal. Trouble mounting for Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who continues to be lodged in jail, where Lieutenant Governor has now ordered an NIA probe against Arvind Kejriwal. Remember, the Aam Aadmi Party that has been alleging political conspiracy all the while, as many of their prominent leaders who are in jail in connection with the Liquorgate case. But this is the latest that is just coming in, as LG has ordered NIA probe against Arvind Kejriwal. AAP has alleged that massive funds were received by Khalistani groups, and that same money was used for election purposes. LG has highlighted the links of the Aam Aadmi Party with Khalistani groups, and in this connection, a probe has been ordered where the National Investigations Agency will find out details about how the Aam Aadmi Party is possibly connected to these Khalistani groups. Remember, there have been several questions regarding the K link between the Aam Aadmi Party and how they have possibly used those funds for election purposes. That has been alleged. All the while, meanwhile, this is the latest that just comes in, where LG has recommended an NIA probe against Arvind Kejriwal in connection to the links with K groups. I want to cut across to Senior Executive Editor Abhishek Kapoor, who's joining us on the broadcast to give us more details of what has led to this development. Over to you, Abhishek.
All right, this is a big breaking development coming in amidst ongoing election campaign, which is that the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, V.K. Saxena, Vinay Kumar Saxena, has ordered a probe by the National Investigation Agency into links that the Aam Aadmi Party might have had with the banned, proscribed Khalistani separatist terrorist group Sikhs for Justice. Remember, SFJ is the same organization which is headed by Gurpatwant Singh Pannu, who is a wanted terrorist insofar as India is concerned. He is declared a terrorist under UAPA by India. And it seems, according to this letter which the Raj Niwas has released, in which the LG has sought an NIA probe on AAP links with SFJ. Essentially, the charge is that there are reports that Aam Aadmi Party, through various channels, took election funding or political funding to the tune of $16 million from Sikhs for Justice, and this was to further the separatist Khalistani agenda of SFJ, including, for example, the release of Khalistani separatist Devendra Pal Bhullar, and hence espousing pro-Khalistani sentiments in the country. Remember, there is an Aam Aadmi Party government in Punjab, and off and on we have heard reports and allegations of Aam Aadmi Party being soft on Khalistani separatist sentiment just to be in power in the state. And now the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, in this letter writing to the NIA, seeks a probe about these connections. Now, this is obviously, remember, NIA is India's ace anti-terror agency, and if a probe happens by the NIA, which means we are essentially looking at terror connections of the Aam Aadmi Party, and that's why it gets big, Suesha.
Oh yes, absolutely, Abhishek. And let's also understand that there have been a lot of questions as far as the Aam Aadmi Party's link to K groups is concerned, where it has been alleged that those funds received have been used for election purposes. This also comes in the wake of Arvind Kejriwal already facing the investigation in the Liquorgate case, and he is lodged in jail, not just him, but prominent leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party. And this is yet more trouble mounting for Arvind Kejriwal as far as funds used for election purposes is concerned. Do take us through what the complainant has said and how this led to the LG recommending a probe in this matter.
The details which I'm now sharing, Suesha. One is that the LG, while referring the complaint to the MHA, says that the AAP government, there is a letter adduced in the complaint, which is written by Arvind Kejriwal back in 2014, and this is written to one Iqbal Singh. Iqbal Singh is someone who was protesting at the Jantar Mantar for the release of Devinder Pal Bhullar, and Arvind Kejriwal wrote to Iqbal Singh saying that the AAP government has already recommended to the president the release of Bhullar and would be working on other issues, including formation of an SIT sympathetically, and in time-bound manner the SIT would go into the complaints of these Khalistani separatists. Now this is preposterous to say the least, but then this goes back to 2014, and it also says that it has been alleged in the complaint which the LG has forwarded to the MHA recommending the NIA probe that Kejriwal held closed-door meetings in the United States. The place mentioned is a Gurdwara at the Richmond Hills, New York, and during his visit in 2014, and the conversations there were essentially such that they showed Kejriwal as being soft on this Khalistani sentiment, and that's why there is a reason that is the reason why the LG says or believes that the MHA should ask the NIA to probe this complaint which has come to them. Now, subsequent to that meeting in Richmond Gurdwara in New York, Arvind Kejriwal, in a series of posts on social media, and not Arvind Kejriwal but an AAP worker, Munish Kumar Raizada, he shared pictures of Kejriwal and said that the meeting with the Khalistani leaders at the Gurdwara took place. So in a way there is confirmation about the meeting from a third person, third party. It cannot be denied. Also, the charge of political funding is something which the NIA has to probe. Possibly the Enforcement Directorate can get in, because obviously this constitutes a PMLA/FERA violation, and but that would obviously be subsequent. Remember, the ED is already investigating the liquor gate, a scam of the Delhi government in which Arvind Kejriwal happens to be in judicial custody. And now this really opens another one, a big one, because this clearly shows that there is a likelihood and there is an allegation of a serious allegation of Arvind Kejriwal having indulged with Khalistani separatists in Delhi and in New York, in the United States, having met them, and possibly those engagements and that softening of sentiment might have played some role in Aam Aadmi Party government policies on the Khalistani separatist sentiment, both in Delhi and Punjab.
Absolutely, Abhishek, and we wait and watch how this story develops. For the moment, I want to thank you for getting us these immediate details. I'll keep coming back to you for further updates on this. For the moment, we shift our focus.